This is how to use NAMI 360 as a program leader. First thing is to log in at programadmin.nami.org, account login. Select login and then log in with your username and password. Notice, welcome Mr. Dan BZ. You're logged in as a NAMI San Luis Obispo affiliate leader. Select program leaders and then recommend the program leader. And select affiliate. And this time we'll pick in our own voice program, Dan BZ. And now we'll put Dan BZ. And program leaving status will be new program leader. And then we submit. And there we have it. I have self-submitted for in our own voice and peer-to-peer. And Joe has already submitted just today, Zaz Daniel and of course Michaela Taylor as in the silence. Now if you click the detail button here, it will show you what you've the in our own voice program leader status. They'll send an email out for an agreement to be signed, and then a location for the online training, and then the online training completed on, and then when you set that in that date, you will complete the online training. Now if you go to email account, notice that I have these two emails from NAMI Education, one on the peer-to-peer and one on in our own voice. And let's open up the older one first from this afternoon, which says, "Thank you for your role in NAMI peer-to-peer. Before you begin your orientation, please complete this brief form by clicking on the link below. After completing the form, we'll send you instructions." So if you complete the agreement form, and so when you click on the agreement form, it'll pop up with some instructions. Upon completing the agreement, you'll be enrolled for peer-to-peer. You should receive an email with how to access the training in the next hour. Otherwise, check your spam folder. I understand peer-to-peer is intellectual property of NAMI. I will not add to it, change, or modify it. I agree to follow the NAMI educational operating policies, and then submit it and wait for your agreement. And you'll get this. Now here I can see that my response has been received for peer-to-peer training. So I will access that email. Thank you for continuing in your role as leader. The first step is to orient yourself to new materials. Plan to spend 6 to 8 hours to complete them. And these are the things that you're... So, the 6 to 8 hours is a long time. They recommend a computer with a stable internet connection using Google Chrome. We'll receive 2 emails from NAMI. The first one from notifications that will set your password and tell that you've been enrolled. Make sure they're not in your junk file. If you don't receive an email within an hour, then they give you a place to sign in directly or call bridge support at this number. So using your own computer, you can come back and any time. Just plan to use the same device each time and remember your password. If you're using a public computer, then complete the training in one sitting since your information is stored on a local drive. Frequently asked questions are here for online training. or you can ask, they can call me back and about, since I was the one doing the recommending. If you click on the frequently asked questions, you'll get a list of facts, and this will be printed out. Talk about having a strong internet connection, otherwise you might get some fatal errors or bad hotspots. If you return and the course is not there, don't forget it's saved on your local drive, not on the website. So use the same computer. If you have overlapping text, try opening the course on a large tablet or computer before continuing. You don't have to pass have every question correct. Make sure you've got all the questions complete. In case your module won't unlock, you probably have some uncompleted questions. And my content will be saved. If you leave the course, you can continue working on it later. And make sure you remember your bridge username and password to re-enter. If your record button and rehearse is not working, it will only work with Google Chrome browser. Don't forget, if you can't get it to work, the option is to simply time yourself while you speak. If you get a message saying you completed the module in the middle of the module, the next module hasn't been unlocked for you. If Bridge does not show you having completed the course, you'll have to open the course in Chrome or Edge and make sure that you are in the correct browser. And there's also Bridge support number here, or via an email up the top right corner where it says My Learning, and then there's a small icon at the bottom of the page called Contact Bridge Support. And so I wait for the message from the NAMI for the peer-to-peer, and here it is. It says you have been enrolled in a new program, peer-to-peer leader and curricular training, and you should get a button that says Go to Program, which now here's where we start having some problems. And then you'll get a login ID with, of course, your password that you've set. To make a long story short, what happened is that the ID and password had to be reset. And to do that, I had to call Bridge at 855-979-7399. And then they had to handhold me to get the training started. I should click on that. I should click on that, right? What happens now is that the Bridge person is guiding me through
I think I've got it enabled.
Resetting the password and re-logging in.
Launch the session. Let's
and then you had to get your pop-up blockers off in the Chrome. So that's what's going on for the next minute or so.
Well, I got a picture that filled up the screen.
Okay, it says resume 1 of 6. Okay, your course has been launched in a new window, it says. We launched your course in a new window. If you don't see it, a pop-up blocker, please disable pop-up blockers for this site. Okay. So that's where I'm stuck. Hello?
Okay, now when you're on that page, do you see the red X?
Across the top bar? No. I see a red...
Side of the URL bar.
Where is it? No, there's no red X anywhere on my screen. No. I do.
Then let's go into settings and advanced.
Okay, I'm going into settings for Chrome and advanced. Okay, and then it starts.
And then go to privacy.
Yeah, privacy and security. Control settings or. Or is it? Yeah, content settings. Yeah, content settings, and it's pop-ups. It says pop-ups blocked. So I should click on that.
Right. So that's going to be for everything. So you can do it for specific sites.
Yeah. Yeah. There's an allow. There's an allow. So I should add, and then what site would I add?
You'd want to just copy that URL or
So just add https://nami.bridgeapp.com. That's it? Okay.
Yeah, that should allow.
Yeah, okay, it's on there now. Now it's been added. So go back.
Okay, and now, yeah, and then just refresh and try to have that.
You launch your course in a new window. Back to program. Okay. Resume 1 of 6. It's going. Click here to launch the lesson. I'm clicking there. Alright, now it says welcome. We're thrilled to be joining your committee. So am I in it now? It says get started. It's got a get started message, but there's no place to go from here. It just says you'll make a difference. Thank you for becoming a P2P leader. So where do I go from here? Back to home?
So I'm not sure. I can go ahead and open that course as you, but we do not curate any of the content by now.
Okay. Yeah, I went back to home.
Try to watch the courses here.
I think I'm. How close here? I'll look at the. Read the following questions. Choose the best actor. Okay, I think I'm in it. Now. So I appreciate it. Yeah, thanks. What are your hours?
No problem.
I mean, if I want to call.
24/7.
Oh, 24/7. So if I'm in a weekend or something, I just call you. Yeah, 'cause I got a feeling that I think I'm in it now, but getting started would be a problem for some of the other courses. I can give you as a call, right? Okay. Thank you very much for your help. I appreciate that very much. Thanks a lot. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Bye-bye. Well, now we're started, and I'm going to end this video and probably break it into pieces to show.